So I'm here with Toby Scrivener, who has come here today to join us for our physics employability event, and you're from Laser 2000.
Yep.
And you studied as an MPhil student here, but you came in through our foundation year program.
Yep.
You gave a really nice summary today to the students about sort of that pathway for you. I mean, could you just tell us a little bit about what inspired you to do what you're doing now, and what your degree gave to you and helped you to gain that sort of position?
Yeah, so there were lots of interesting courses that I did at Swansea University that really helped going into the photonics industry. So specifically, I took the lasers module and an optics module, and it was really useful to understand how these different technologies can result in different products, which is ultimately what I do. I sell solutions into customers' requirements. So understanding customers' needs is important. So listening is a very good skill that I've picked up, which a lot of students will pick up through hours and hours of lectures. Learning how to convey information in a correct and concise manner, so writing reports and things like that, something that's not too long but has all the information that someone might need to learn about a particular topic. I also did a teaching module at Swansea University, which was very useful because I genuinely thought I wanted to go into teaching. And although at the end of the day I didn't become a teacher, that module was very instrumental in defining where I did want to go. So that was also very useful.
That's very interesting. We just looked at some data from that module, and about 50% of the people who do it actually do become teachers.
Absolutely.
And 50% decide they don't want to become teachers. But that module is quite a successful module.
Yeah, it is.
So in terms of the sort of background that you had and your current role, what sort of advice would you give to one of these third year or second year students now as they prepare for life beyond their physics degrees and actually applying for jobs?
So I would say if you're applying for a job and you're looking at a specific company, maybe research that company a little bit, understand what they do and how they service their clientele. Maybe look into the competitors out there and see how they're different. I would also suggest tailoring your cover letter so that you answer very specifically what they are asking for you of a job title. So if someone says we are looking for people that can do X, Y, and Z, don't write in your cover letter, I'm interested in A, B, and C. Answer the question that they're being asked.
Okay, that's really good, vital advice. We've actually had just a session recently with our third years about being prepared with cover letters. That's I'll make sure that that's included. Okay, thanks Toby, that's really very useful.
Thank you, Pete. Cheers.